Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Monday, September 15th, and I was listening to the reports late Sunday afternoon coming out of the big financial meeting they had at the downtown Federal Reserve Bank. And the more I read and the more I listened to what was going on, it dawned on me that I said, this is starting to sound more like them rearranging the deck chairs, if you know what I mean. And lo and behold, that's exactly what it looked like this morning. All they did was rearrange the chairs. They didn't fix the hole in the boat. Anyway, sixth biggest down day. Not a surprise, because I thought we were going to have a big down day last Thursday. But, the market's going to do it when it wants to do it, not when the day I think it's going to happen. It gets me all the time. I don't know why I predict these things, but they always eventually happen. So, got a new idea tomorrow. We'll take a look at all the major indexes. New lows were made, a lot of damage. The picture's getting uglier. And I really think that this big sell-off is really just getting underway today. Now, I normally don't talk about this indicator because I find it to be extremely unreliable, but sometimes it's worth mentioning, and I think today is one of those days. The volume today it jumped out at you. It was a big volume day today, and usually you get those big volume days, the ones that jump out at you when the market is breaking out of a pattern, either up or down. And that's exactly what it looked like today. That's why it gives a little more meaning to the breakdown today, because big volume. And like I said, I think the sell-off is really just getting underway. Okay, what else? We shorted EPIC, so we'll take a look at that. Then we'll look at the major indexes. And my new idea tomorrow is another short, PNX, Phoenix Corporation. So in just a moment, I'll show you the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of PNX. This is a call on the short side, and I'd like to get this short off around $11.50. It closed at 11.09. I think we're going to get a little bit of a kickback in the morning, and we want to use that rally to sell it around between 11.50, maybe even 11.70, somewhere up in the air. Target on the downside, $7.50, right down here, the old low. Buy stop if the trade doesn't look like it's going to work. Any close above that, which would be $12.05. Okay, let me show you what I see. I'm sure you're starting to pick up on these all by yourselves without me pointing them out, but drawing the picture always helps. Descending triangle. Actually, today was the first day we actually broke down out of it, because it's the first day we've had a close below that area right there. We also have this dangling participle. Remember, that's always the sign of a top or a bottom if it was turned upside down. So let me recap this for you. This is PNX. This is a call on the short side, and depending on where we get this off on the short side, we could make $4 in this trade. So that's my idea for tomorrow. Let's take a look at the idea that we shorted this morning, EPIC. It started out of the gate straight down in the morning. I waited for it to rally back up. So I got it off at 8.01, and then it rallied up to 8.18, but it settled in around 8, and it's just a bearish looking pattern. Now it could rally back up into here, but it's just going to be temporary. All rallies are here to be sold. Rally up into there. So if anybody didn't get this short off today, if it does rally back up in here, it's an opportunity. All right, so we'll put that into our portfolio, and maybe, hopefully, in a week or two, we'll be ringing the cash register in that. All right, let's go look at the damage that was done in the in the major averages. Okay, here's the Dow. Now, this is the day, Thursday I guess this is. This is the morning I thought that the big sell-off was going to happen. But that's the day they tricked me, and they rallied back up, and then they backed and filled for a couple of days. And we did. We backed and filled for a couple of days, and everybody got started thinking, oh, maybe they're going to rally, you know. But you look at this rolling over look, this house of cards look. It's just so bearish. And then today, bang, down 500. So this whole pattern now is resistance. Could we rally back up into here? Absolutely we could. Are we going to? I don't know. But if we do, it's a selling opportunity. Transportation average, big outside reversal day. Higher high than the day before and a lower low than the day before, and a close not on the bottom but at the bottom end of the range. You have declining tops. You've got this house of cards look, just negative look. Russell 2000, bang, another new low. So you have this low, and now you have another lower low, and now all of this is resistance here. So any rally back up right into here, I don't think it's going to get past this spot right in here. Declining tops, just still has that negative look to it. SPY, which is Basic Standard & Poor's 500, closed almost right on the low today. I think it actually penetrated the July low, but regardless of whether it penetrated it or not, it's set up to take it out, because we've just got this, it's just this rolling over look. Okay, any rally back up into anywhere into this pattern here, you got to say sold. QQQs, new low. This is all resistance. Any rally back up into this area here is all resistance if we get it. So the market continues to look like it's going to trade lower. We're going to sell all the rallies, and I don't know how low or how far. We could take I'm going to guess, but we could take another 1,000 points off this market before we find a bottom, because I believe that we're just going to get started. We're going to take it out the July low, and that's the beginning of it. All right, so until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.